On behalf of the entire ABB team, I'd like to welcome you to our new Northeast Distribution Center.
By moving closer to our customers, we're reducing 25,000 miles a week of transportation. Over 4,000 tons of CO2 emissions will not occur. And sustainability is a key metric and a key driver for us, and so this building helps contribute to that goal.
I now officially declare the Regional Distribution Center open for business. Thank you very much.
We're proud of this 350,000 square foot facility, of our team, and of being part of Easton and Palmer Township and the broader Lehigh Valley community.
So now that we have this Northeast Distribution Center, it strengthens our regional supply chain to be able to get closer to our partners and end user customers to provide better service for them, strengthening our overall network.